Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free games on GOG Easy Guide in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to gog.com and then click on store and then filter it to free. You'll find loads of free games here. Just select your desired game, then click on free and then click on add to your library. Once you do this, it will be added to your GOG library and then you'll be able to install and play it. So yeah, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can make a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.